So we are solving question from GATE 2018 from computer science branch, and it says that the number of possible min heaps containing each value from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 exactly once is. So first of all, a min heap is a binary tree in which the value of the node is less than or equal to its child. Okay, so if this is the node and these are its two child, so the value of this node will be less than or equal to its child. So similarly, so we are given 7 values, so the min heap will look like this. Okay, so min heap is a balanced binary tree, and in min heap the value of the root is always the lowest in the tree. Okay, the value of this root node will always be the lowest in the entire tree. So this is min heap, and in max heap the value of the node is larger than both its child. So so the max heap is opposite to the min heap, where the value of the node is larger compared to its both the child. So in max heap the value of the root node is always the largest, and in min heap the value of the root node is always the lowest. So out of, we have to select these values exactly once. So the lowest value is 1, so obviously the root will have the lowest value, and that is 1. Now we have to find the total number of possible min heaps. So there are 6 numbers which are remaining. So first of all, let's consider the rightmost tree. First of all, let's consider the rightmost. Now there are 3 nodes and we have 6 numbers. So out of 6 numbers, we can choose 3 numbers in exactly 6C3 ways. Okay, we can choose 3 numbers in exactly 6C3 ways. So let's suppose we choose the numbers as 2, 4 and 7, or let's say 2, 4 and 7. Okay, so we have chosen these numbers 2, 4 and 7. So obviously 2 will be this, because the value of the root node is the lowest than both its child. Now 4 and 7 are the two remaining numbers, so we can have 4 here, 7 here, or we can have 7 here, 4 here. So these two numbers can be chosen in two ways. So we have to multiply this by 2. Okay, because both the numbers can be placed like 4 or 7, or 7 or 4 here. Okay, now the remaining numbers, that is 3, 5 and 6, are for the leftmost, are for the left branch. Okay, so 3 will come here obviously because 3 is the lowest. Then again 5 can come here, or 6 can come here, or 6 can come here, 5 can come here. So these two numbers can again be chosen in 2 factorial ways. So 2 factorial and 2 factorial. So the total number of possible min heaps will be 6C3 is 20 into 2 into 2. So this is equal to 80. So the answer is 80. The answer is 80. Okay, so in this way we can solve the question. This is from so we have to use the concepts of permutation, probability here, permutation and combination. So again in min heap the value of the root node is always the lowest, so this was the this is the min heap. And in max heap the value of the root node is always the highest. So if this was the max heap, then this number must be 7. So 7 was here, and again for forming max heap also we have to use the same procedure. Okay, so for max heap also we can choose 3 numbers and then do this calculation. So this was this question was for min heap. So again we first considered this tree, and we can choose 3 numbers in 63 ways, and then 2 numbers can be chosen 2 factorial. So for remaining 3 numbers again we have because the value of this node is always fixed, this the value of this will be lowest in all in 3 numbers which we have chosen. Okay, so I hope this question was clear to you. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.